Boom! Hey y'all! Welcome to another episode of Z-Lux and Local Life, where we are here in the Dolby Theater in Hollywood, California, where we will be starting our travel journey to learn the tips, tricks, and etiquette of tour bus travel. Join us! We are here at the TCL Chinese Theater, and I'm going to give you tip number one. Tip number one is to be early. You never know what time people are going to choose to come, so going early is the best way to get as many videos and pictures as you can with as little people in the background as possible. But also, you must always check in early if you have a tour or you're going to be on a tour bus. You never know if you can get a better seat or a better spot, so be early. Alright, we are here with tip number two, which is to make sure you read all your confirmation information. You never know. There's embedded in the fine print, they always say. Read the confirmation information and make sure when you go to check in that you have all the information. Check your email the morning before or the morning of your event or tour to make sure there haven't been any changes or cancellations. It will save you so much time. All right, y'all, let's go to the next tip. Okay? This is scary. The buses are big and they rickety, not rickety in a bad way, but rickety like the ground is imperfect, so this big bus is constantly moving. So do not stand up when you own buses like this. That is a bad idea. Say, Saddle Ranch man, why the travel host cross the road? To get to the Comedy Store, we are here at the Comedy Store in West Hollywood, one of the most iconic comedy houses in LA. All the names on this wall here have been people who performed here. That's our next tip. Respect performers, tour guides, and theater people. Don't come in being loud and crazy. You will get kicked out of places and kicked off of things, okay? So make sure you're respectful and you make sure that you take care of the people who are performing for you. It's the best way, the LA way. Be respectful and leave a tip, period. We are here in front of the Viper Room, a place where unfortunately tragedy struck. Many people were heartbroken to hear that River Phoenix unfortunately passed away here. Question, do you know what famous actor owned the Viper Room at that same time? Let us know in the comments. Also, we're just down the street from another legendary rock and roll place. Well, you're gonna find out where that is in 3, 2, 1. Another tip, when you are out on vacation, know your limits, okay? You don't want to get out here being wild and misrepresenting yourself. Misunderstandings are going to happen. Language barriers are going to happen. Just be patient and remember your fellow human being is also doing the best they can. You don't want to get in a tussle just because you had a little too much to drink, okay? So that's another tip. Mind your behavior. You don't have a good time. We all want to have a good time, right? Boom. We are here at the iconic Beverly Hills Fountain. We are here in the middle of fancy Beverly Hills, darling, to do our fit check. If you catch the leather jacket, you should have been all episode. And our fun frilly pants we have. And gotta keep it comfy with the Adidas for the Europeans and the Adidas for the Americans. Keep it comfy while we head on out to Rodeo Drive. That's a new way to park your car. This is the delicious Toysha Champagne Truffle made with real Dom Perignon, and we're gonna try it today. I'm gonna bite the head off. We'll see what it looks like inside. Wow, this is the milk chocolate one. And you can taste the bubbly. I don't know how, but like there's something aromatic about it. It's very good. I'll try. Let's get to the middle. This is good. You guys gotta come here and try it. I don't want it to end. Oh, that was so good. That is so good.